All right, guys, so I am reminding everyone that I am incorporating low carb, high fat, which is still carbohydrate, starch dependent, and keto. Everything. Plans, exercises, how to incorporate these two dietary measures, because I won't go back to the standard American. I don't do paleo. I'm low carb, high fat. I'll go more into what the difference is, but you are on low carb, high fat. You are still glucose dependent. You've got to time out your carbohydrates and to not overwhelm the digestive tract. You still have to time out your carbs. You need to know what type of carbs and the amount and how much fat and what kind of fat. And yes, and how to incorporate this in your exercise, or how to use low carb, high fat to transition into keto. Child, I do keto everything. So we got that covered. Y'all know I've been doing keto for over 11 years. I'm 51 going on 52. I haven't refed at all, but some people feel that it's difficult to either transition into keto, or they try keto, they become hypoglycemic, or they have physiological insulin resistance rebounding when they go back to carb and then back to keto, or people just want to sit at low carb to get healthy and get the gains. Yes, it is still possible, but of course I'm proponent of keto because that's the ultimate mother sucker. But you have to do it the right way, or you can injure yourself doing keto the wrong way, which is why I'm creating two different types of protocols that are very linear. And I'm out. If you guys want to learn more, you can go to stephanieperson.com. I also do consultations. As you guys know, I've been doing these for years and years and years. stephanieperson.com. And I have a keto course if you guys want to learn explicitly how to do this the right way. It's only $15 a month. You can try it for a month just to see if you can gain something, which of course you will. And I'm on Instagram at Stephanie Ketogenic, where I put stuff up on the stories every day about the human body. We break down everything, not just keto. And I'm out. Thanks, guys.